Now here we're still subtracting mixed numbers, but this time let's subtract mixed numbers by changing them to improper fractions. So 2 and 1/3 as an improper fraction is 7/3, because 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7, and the denominator stays the same. And we're subtracting 1 and 7/12, which as an improper fraction is 19/12, because 1 times 12 is 12, plus 7 is 19, and the denominator stays the same. But to subtract fractions, we need a common denominator. Now 12 is in the 3 times table, and 12 is 4 times 3. So if we do the same to our numerator, 7 times 4 is 28, 3 times 4 is 12, so we found our equivalent fraction. So now we can subtract 19/12 because we've got a common denominator. The denominator stays the same in our answer, and 28 minus 19 is 9, so our answer is 9/12, which we could simplify to 3/4. Now 4 and 1/10 as an improper fraction is 41/10, because 4 times 10 is 40, plus 1 is 41, and we're subtracting 1 and 1/5, which is 6/5 as an improper fraction. Now to subtract fractions, we need the denominators to be the same, so we're going to need to change 6/5 into tenths. We can still start with 41/10, but instead of subtracting 6/5, we can subtract 12/10, because 6/5 is equivalent to 12/10. Multiply 6 by 2 and you get 12, multiply 5 by 2 and you get 10. So we've got our equivalent fractions. And now we've got a common denominator. So 10 is also the denominator of our answer. 41 minus 12 is 29. So our answer is 29/10, and we can change that back into a mixed number by dividing. 29 divided by 10 is 2 remainder 9, and our denominator stays the same. So our answer is 2 and 9/10. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.